My Jeep update on number 128. This is a remake and it has been modified. The music was too loud. Okay, and this is on the Pinion Shims and race. Now some information I just come across because I had been confused. So several videos I noticed that some were putting the Pinion Shims behind the race and some were putting it behind the bearing there on the pinion shaft. So that really confused me because I always thought it went on behind the bearing on the pinion shaft. So I called, I didn't call, I emailed Yukon where I got my kit, and they informed me that if it's the original from the factory, it will be behind the pinion shaft bearing on the pinion shaft. But their kit, the shims, are meant to go behind that race there. But they also said you could install them behind the race or behind the pinion shaft bearing. But they cautioned, make sure you don't put shims behind each one or the other. So I think what I'm going to do is stay with this. I'll probably pull that bearing off, and at the very least, I don't know if I'll reuse those shims, but at the very least I will measure them and find out what the thickness is, and I'll start with that. And that's a quick My Jeep update. I just thought I'd pass that info on. I know those of you that are experienced will know this, but I know there's many like me that's just learning these things, and I just thought I'd pass that on. That's My Jeep out. Okay, this is My Jeep, another update. I'm gonna see if I got a win or a fail here. I'm not sure what's gonna happen. I'm going to try my impact again, because this is pretty stout. And I just hope I can keep it. We'll see what happens. As you can see, everything is loose. I'm going to have to break off and tighten everything back up because it's loosened up. Got to keep it tight.
Man, you sure
Here's another just quick
ugly SOB.
I don't know if you can tell that, but when I was working on it before I finally gave up, I moved it a little bit. And I'm just now starting it. I used my impact wrench, but I'm going to do it slower with my 1/2-inch ratchet and see if I can get it to move any. So I'll update you shortly. But it's definitely moved a little bit from a couple of days ago when I was working on it with the my impact.